Hello everyone, I am Pinky Bhatia, faculty at SRN International School, Jagatpura, Jaipur. I welcome you all to the official YouTube channel of SRN International School. Today, I am going to explain you a topic from grade 1 mathematics, that is money. So let's begin the video. Topics covered in this video are meaning of money, what is ancient system, why money was invented, what is Indian currency, what are the forms of money. What is money? All the coins and notes with different denominations are called money. It is very important to know how to use and count money because it is a universal tool. Money found in every country of the world and people use it every day. Money is used for almost everything we do, such as buying groceries, buying toys, going to the movies. Of buying goods. The ancient system of buying goods is called barter system. Exchange goods or services for other goods or services without using money. Example, bread exchange for butter. Another example, a farmer may exchange wheat for a pair of shoes from a shoemaker. Currencies of different countries like Japan, China, Brazil, Canada. Most countries have their own kind of money. The official Brazilian currency since 1994 is the Brazilian real. The Canadian dollar is the currency of Canada. The United States dollar is the official currency of the United States. Money, also sometimes called currency. Most of the time a state or a government prints paper money and makes coins at a mint. Money is what we use to buy things. It comes in many forms, but the two major forms used in India is notes and coins. The Indian rupee is the official currency of India. 1 rupee is equals to 100 paise. Coins of the Indian rupee were first minted in 1950. New coins have been produced annually since then and they make up a valuable aspect of the Indian currency system. Today circulating coins exist in denominations of 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 5 rupee, 10 rupee and 20 rupee. Another form of Indian currency is rupee. Banknotes in India are currently being used in the denomination of rupees 10, 20, 50, 100, 200, 500 and rupees 2000. These are called banknotes as they are issued by the Reserve Bank of India. The Reserve Bank of India RBI is India's central bank responsible for the issue and supply of the Indian rupee. The Indian rupee is the official currency of India. The Gandhi series of banknotes are issued by the Reserve Bank of India as the legal tender of Indian rupee. The portrait of the father of the nation made its regular appearance on currency notes only in 1987. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it and found it helpful, so please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.